Hi friends, and welcome to today's YouTube tutorial on the Life in Yarn channel. Today I will be teaching you how to crochet a foundation half double crochet stitch. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I will be using Lion Brand's Hue and Me yarn, a bulky weight number 5 yarn that is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. The recommended hook for this yarn is a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I will be using an 8 millimeter crochet hook. Create a slip knot. Insert your hook into the slip knot that you just created. Pull your yarn tight around your hook, not too tight, but tight enough that it's not going to fall off. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, that's your first chain, yarn over, and pull up another loop. That's your second chain. So you start out by chaining 2, and then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain that you created, yarn over, pull up 1 loop. Now, this is where you are going to be creating the bottom of the foundation half double crochet stitch. So now you will yarn over, pull through just 1 loop. That is going to be the bottom of your foundation half double crochet. You will then yarn over again and create the rest of the half double crochet by pulling through all 3 loops. So you have now created the first foundation half double crochet. To continue, you will again yarn over, flipping over your stitches, insert your hook into the bottom of the stitch that you just created, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through 1 again. This will create another foundation half double crochet stitch. Complete it by yarning over and pulling through all 3 loops. So let's do that one more time. Yarn over, and now you can start to see these stitches forming on the bottom. Insert your hook into this bottom stitch, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And we're just going to keep doing that, and you will see all of these stitches starting to form along the bottom of the foundation half double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook through these bottom 2. Let's get that a little bit closer so you can see it. Yarn over, pull through both of those loops, and then yarn over, pull through 1, which creates that bottom loop, yarn over, pull through these 3 loops, and then again you just keep going. Yarn over, insert your hook into this bottom stitch. Once they get going, you'll start to see they look like V's. Well, if we flip them this way, they look like V's. Okay, so that's what you're working, and it looks basically identical to the top of a stitch. So that's the easiest way to see that you're placing your stitches correctly, is that it looks like you're working through the top. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the bottom, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, creating another bottom stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 to create the stitch. The reason that this is one of my favorite crochet techniques is because you don't have to crochet a certain amount of stitches and then have to worry about coming back and having the wrong amount of stitches. You can just keep going until you reach the length that you need, and this is very close to what your final gauge will be for your project. So if you want to crochet a blanket that's going to be 36 inches long, you know that you can just keep going until this reaches 36 inches, and essentially that should be the width or length of your blanket. So let me just show you one more time how we do a foundation half double crochet, and then that will be it for today's tutorial. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through one to create the bottom of your stitch, yarn over, and pull through all loops. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos in the future.